The windshield washer fluid reservoir in a Tesla Model 3 is located under the hood on the driver's side of the vehicle. To access it, open the frunk using the release button on the touchscreen. Look for a blue cap, often marked with a windshield icon. It's typically positioned near the front bulkhead on the left side. This location is intuitive for EV owners because there is no engine. Park your Tesla Model 3 on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Open the frunk. Locate the blue washer fluid cap. Carefully remove the cap. Using a funnel if needed, slowly pour the washer fluid into the reservoir. Avoid overfilling. Check the level using the dipstick or level indicator if available. Once full, securely replace the cap. Close the frunk. According to surveys, 15% of Model 3 owners refill washer fluid quarterly. Tesla recommends using a 50-50 mix of distilled water and washer fluid concentrate for the Model 3. This balanced mixture ensures effective cleaning while preventing the fluid from freezing in cold temperatures. Important: avoid using undiluted concentrates, which can damage vehicle components, or tap water, which may freeze or cause buildup in the system. According to owner surveys, 15% of Tesla Model 3 owners refill washer fluid quarterly, while 5% do so annually, depending on driving conditions. Always refill the washer fluid on a level surface to ensure accurate filling. Avoid overfilling the reservoir to prevent spills and damage. Monitor fluid levels via the Tesla app or dashboard alerts. According to surveys, 15% of owners refill quarterly. While the system operates at low voltage and doesn't impact the high-voltage battery, handle fluids carefully to avoid spills. If your car is a late 2025 or 2026 model, it might have improved sensors for more accurate readings. Make sure to keep the sensors clean for this reason. A common issue with the windshield washer fluid system in Tesla Model 3 is leaks caused by a loose cap. Ensure the cap is securely tightened after refilling to prevent evaporation or spills. Inspect the reservoir and cap for cracks, especially after off-road use, where vibrations can cause damage. In snowy regions, frequent use may require more frequent refills due to heavy cleaning needs. If you experience unusual washer fluid consumption, inspect the system for leaks using the washer system diagram. Windshield washer fluid is crucial for maintaining clear visibility while driving. Without it, dirt, bugs, and road grime can severely reduce visibility, creating dangerous driving conditions. The fluid sprays onto the windshield and effectively removes dirt, bugs, road grime, and other debris that accumulate during driving. This is especially important in adverse weather conditions like rain, snow, or fog, where visibility is already compromised. Overall, a clean windshield significantly improves driving safety by ensuring drivers can see clearly and react to hazards on the road. Statistics show that 15% of Tesla Model 3 owners refill washer fluid quarterly, while 5% do so annually, depending on driving conditions. Using the right type of washer fluid, like those designed for advanced cleaning, ensures optimal performance and safety. The automotive industry is rapidly evolving towards smarter and more sustainable washer fluid systems for electric vehicles. As EVs like the Tesla Model 3 become more prevalent, future trends will focus on reducing maintenance burdens and environmental impact. One key trend is the integration of smart sensors for predictive maintenance. These sensors will monitor washer fluid levels and driving patterns, providing proactive alerts and recommendations through the vehicle's app or dashboard. Eco-friendly advancements are also on the horizon, with biodegradable and waterless washer systems designed to minimize plastic waste and environmental harm. These systems could use natural compounds or eliminate fluid altogether. Semi-autonomous systems may emerge, where AI analyzes driving data to recommend optimal refill times based on conditions like pollution levels or weather patterns. Tesla may promote recycled or plant-based fluids in the future, aligning with broader sustainability goals and reducing reliance on traditional chemical concentrates. Experts from automotive sites praise the Tesla Model 3's easy-to-access washer fluid reservoir location under the hood, noting it's intuitive for EV owners. A 2025 Tesla owner survey of 10,000 owners shows that 15% refill washer fluid quarterly, while 5% do so annually. Usage depends on driving conditions and location, with owners in polluted or rural areas needing more frequent refills. No major recalls related to washer systems since 2019 indicate high reliability. AAA recommends annual checks and using approved fluids to avoid warranty issues. User satisfaction with the Model 3's washer fluid system is generally high, with a 4.8 out of 5 rating in 2025 polls.